wake up, it's a brand new day. Stretch your arms and shout hooray. Brush your teeth, shiny and bright. Wash your face, feel light. Comb your hair, put on your shoes. Eat your breakfast, time to choose. Pack your bag, tie it tight. Step outside, the day's so bright. Drink some water, jump and play. Smile and laugh, hooray, hooray. Morning routine, start with cheer. A happy day is finally here.